like I'm going through a breakthrough. Yeah, I don't feel like having breakfast this morning. It's currently 7 a.m. and I'm still not hungry. This coffee's good. It smells good. Actually, I got it for free at this veteran place. So this lady, she gave them to me. And I got a whole bunch of water, like the, the mill water thing. You can just fill up your bottles and stuff. She gave me a whole bunch of pennies, like special pennies I should insert in the machine. They're like coins. I can't find them. I have them in there somewhere. And you put them in the machine and it gives you either water or ice. And she gave me a whole bunch of them. So I probably have free water for a whole year. So, little things. If you look for it, you see how God works his miracle. Like little things. Like it's just that we don't pay attention. But lately I'm paying attention because, I really don't have any money, and things are just coming to me at this moment to help me survive. Like water, free coffee, and and stuff like that. Like little stuff. I spilled the coffee. Oh my God. Oh Jesus. Look at this. Spill. I spilled it. Let me turn this off. I'm gonna have to start over again and make some new coffee and clean that up later, because thank God it's coffee, so it's not gonna smell. It's gonna smell like coffee in my car. Try to clean up everything because I spilled the coffee. So this is piping hot. Trying to be careful so I don't spill the coffee beans all over the car. That'd not be another headache. I don't want to spill it again. Oh no, because it's quite hot. So, oh, please don't spill. Please don't spill. Woo! Accomplish. I put my creamer, this vanilla creamer. Like, I love that thing. Like, I don't drink coffee if I don't have it. And I like my coffee light and sweet. But this morning I made it strong. Oh, it's hot. It's piping hot. Yeah, in this little town, it's a really nice little town. Like, it's so clean. And people are very friendly. I've been sleeping for the past 2 nights at this apartment complex, not too far from where I am right now. I don't want to show you around yet because I might stay here for another 5 days or so. But later I will show you when I'm leaving the town. I'm waiting for a check to come in from my previous job. So it should be in my account by Monday. I should be gone by then. And then I have to I'm looking, I don't know if I am trying to figure out, I need a job. I need something to do. I need gig along the way. So I'm gonna start looking for work. If I get something, you know, say a seasonal job, or you know, something that they need somebody temporary, that's the kind of job I'm looking for, I will surely enough jump on it. And because I need money, you know, to survive. So later I'm gonna go to the library and hang out there and do some research and get in, you know, and apply for some temporary position. And yeah, that's gonna be my day. I'm gonna spend my day today. Oh, and last night was so comfortable sleeping. Like the weather here is really nice. It's not too hot as it was, you know, like Florida is like hitting the hundreds and stuff. It was in the 70s last night, like, you know, and I slept pretty comfortable. I even had to put up my little blanket, my little throw blanket over me, because it was cool. It was really nice. It was really nice sleep. All right, so I'm gonna finish up this coffee, run to the library, do some research and jobs, and see what kind of temporary position I could have, because I'm trying to educate myself. I feel like I am learning to fly a plane to my destination. Yeah, I think, yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm learning to fly a plane to my destination. Okay, all right, guys. All right, I'll see you soon. I see you tomorrow. I am gonna put out I'm gonna video record myself each day, what I'm doing and how it is going for me. Yeah, so I am downtown Virginia, which is about, I'm like 10 to 15 minutes away from Virginia Beach. I came down here just to see the firework, and I'm like at this apartment complex. I'm gonna get dressed. The fireworks start at 9:30, so I'm just gonna get dressed and just go out there and hang out, because they get a lot of food stands out there, like a lot of things going on. And the parking is crazy. Like there's nowhere to park. I mean, I can't wait to get out of the city. And like I was saying, I was thinking about staying here, but you know what? I'm leaving. I have to leave. It's way too hot. Like in the daytime, whew, it's piping hot. Like last night, the you know, it got cooler, and it was nice to sleep. It got down to 70, about 79 degrees, 78, 79. It was all right. I mean, with my fan and everything, I was able to sleep. But whew, during the day, it is no joke. I hope it's not that hot tonight, because I don't know. But I'm going back to that small town up in Suffolk and stay there. It's 20 minutes away. So I'm going back up there and stay there until Monday or Tuesday. Then I'm leaving Virginia. It's hot. I'm trying to get to a cooler state. Like I can't even cook how hot it is. Like it's crazy. It's ridiculous. So I need to get to a cooler state. Alright, so what I'm doing here, I have this bin with some better clothes. So I'm just in colder, these are for cold weathers. So I'm just trying to find something nice to wear tonight. Maybe like this top, this little pink top. I think this should be okay. It's probably comfortable. I have to organize everything back. It's too hot to wear makeup. I just want to look a little presentable out there. I am going to pay for parking because I don't want anyone to get in my car. I mean, I don't have anything of value in here except my clothes, but still, because I'm in the city, I'm in the downtown area, so you never know who's watching. So I'm gonna just go and pay for parking, and then after the fireworks, I will just leave. Running out of lipstick. Yeah, that's all she wrote right now. Perfume. Yeah, baby, yeah. All right, so let me get dressed. It's not easy to get dressed in a hot car. Alright, I am ready. Something is wrong with my car seat. It won't recline all the way back. I'll show you the finished look when I get out. I am sweating right now. I am wet. Yeah, it's coming. In 3.5 hours, the fireworks will start. So, yeah. So I'm gonna make my way down and find a spot to park. I'm gonna go inside of a parking garage because, you know, I don't want anyone to be peeking through my windows, especially with a lot of, you know, this is the city. And walk around, you know, and just and wait for the fireworks. And this is how I get ready, living in my car. It is crazy how the temperature dropped. It's like it's down, it feels like it's down to 70 degrees now. And almost an hour ago, it was so hot.